A 16 years old man was tied up and given 100 lashes publicly by Al-Qaeda linked Al-Shabaab for committing a gang rape. The lashing took place at a public square in Dalandola area near Paydabo town, some 250 kilometers southwest of Somali capital Mogadishu, and was witnessed by a large crowd. In a judge, Al-Shabaab court said the group found the man guilty of raping a woman with the sentence of being flogged and expelled from the town. Ibrahim Nuro, a 16 years old man, was taken out into public tied to a tree with a rope before the lashing. Nuro was crying out in pain as a hooded militant uses a leather belt to dish out his punishment, a witness said. He said Nuro was left severely injured following the lashes. Al-Shabaab carries out punishments including executions, amputation, and flogging on people it accuses mostly espionage, theft, and rape. The group is fighting to overthrow the weak UN-backed government in Somalia and impose its own strict version of Islamic law. It has lost control of many towns and cities to 22,000 African Union forces supporting the government, but the group still has a strong presence in many rural areas.